We're going to start off with the Woke Up Like This foundation from Il Makiage in 100. And for this look, I'm going to use the Too Faced Christmas Star Face and Eye palette. And we're going to use Cashmere as our transition shade. So go ahead and put on the crease of your eye and blend it in. Now we're going to take Cinnamon to darken it up a bit and go ahead and put it on the crease of your eye again. And to make it even darker, we're going to take Snuggle Weather and go ahead and put it on the lid of your eye and blend. We're going to take Deepest Desire and apply it onto your lash line with an angled brush and wing it. We're going to use a wipe to take off the excess eyeshadow. Now we're going to use concealer. I use the Too Faced in Almond and go ahead and blend it in. And to contour my face, I'm going to take Chestnuts Roasting and apply it onto my cheeks. For blush, I'm going to take Up to Snow Good and apply it onto my cheekbones and my nose. For my highlight, I'm going to use Let It Glow, and I'm going to take my feathered brush and apply it onto my cheekbones, my nose, my chin, and my top lip. Now to set it in, I'm going to take my e.l.f. Finishing HD powder. Now I'm going to take my Eylure Bronze Beauty Lashes. These are my favorite mink lashes. I'm going to take my Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced and apply it onto my lower lashes. And this also comes with the Christmas Star set. And for my lips, I'm going to take my favorite Kylie matte lipstick in Exposed. And then I'm going to add the Ginger Snap lip gloss from Too Faced. This also came with the Christmas Star set and has quickly become one of my favorite lip glosses. Alright, so that's it. That was my very quick video on another look for fall. Let me know if you guys liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye!